Today we're going to be using the AM-15 by Anderson manufacturing with the Strike-Fire 2 from Vortex and the 3x magnifier by Vortex. So we're going to get into that. You take a second to like and subscribe and we'll be right back. So there it is, the Anderson AM-15 Vortex Strike-Fire 2 with the 3x magnifier. And now I gotta polish my brass. Alright, so this is the Anderson AM-15. And just about all of us, if you're watching this channel, you have probably dealt with at least the Anderson lowers. A lot of guys buy these because you can get them for under 50 bucks. And go to PSA or someplace like that, order you an upper, and you can have an AR-15 that you can say you built. But this one is the full Anderson AM-15, 5.56, 1 1/8 twist. Everything is pretty well standard on it, all mil spec A2 stuff. There's nothing spectacular about this rifle at all. Bolt carrier, all just standard. Now, this one does not have the RF85 markings, so this is not the nanotechnology oil dip. So this was just a little over $400 for this rifle. I've put about 120 rounds through it, I believe, and I've had no issues with it so far. So that's not a lot of beating time. That's not, you know, enough to really say, yeah, this is a great gun. But I have had no malfunctions with it, no issues with it, and this is my first time using a red dot. So this is the Vortex Microfire. So this is the Vortex Strike-Fire 2. Red dot or green dot with the intensity. So you can make the dots more intense or less, all the way down to almost disappearing. And I have the 3x, this is the VMTX3T magnifier, which I found out that at 50 yards, that's what I was shooting today, at 50 yards, the magnifier almost makes it harder to hold on target for some reason. I don't know why. But at 50 yards, pulled the magnifier back, and you could see so clear with just that red dot that it felt way more natural that close. So maybe out to 100 yards magnifier would be good. Like I said, my first time trying this stuff out. But it was fun. Y'all know I'm not real tactical, but I love doing the old trying to learn how to do that, which I keep doing this. And I've heard guys say that can put pressure on your mag and cause failures to feed. So I try to go up here. So that feels more steady. So I don't know. I'll keep playing with it. I'll keep trying it out. But that's the rifle. And that's the optic. I'm sure we'll be doing more videos with this stuff.